The Spider and the Beehive. Before we start reading or listening to the story, let me ask you some question. Is it important to have a friends? How you behave towards your friends? Now in this lesson, you will learn some lesson to remember about friends. The Spider and the Beehive. In a small African village lived a little boy called Coffee and a tricky spider called Anansi. Coffee had a special gift. He could find the best and sweetest fruit in the jungle. Who are the characters again? Yes, it's Coffee and Anansi. Where did they live? In African village. What does Coffee's special gift? Very good. Coffee could find the best and sweetest fruit in the jungle. One day, Anansi asked Coffee, "Will you take me to the best plums?" Coffee agreed. He took Anansi to his favorite plum tree. Anansi ate up all the plums and did not share any. Then he said, "Can you take me to the best bananas?" They walked to Coffee's favorite banana tree. Anansi the spider ate up every single banana and did not share any. Anansi's belly was full, but he said, "Now, can you take me to the best honey?" Anansi squeezed into the beehive and ate up all the honey. Then he tried to climb out of the beehive, but he was stuck. His belly had become too big. "Help! Get me out of here!" he cried. Coffee said, "You have not been very nice to me, Coffee. Goodbye, greedy spider." Anansi yelled and yelled, but nobody heard him. For an entire week, Anansi sat in that beehive. Then finally, he squeezed out. Do you know why he can't go out from that beehive? Yes, because his tummy became big. From that day on, Anansi always shared his fruit with his friends. And that's the story about the spider, Anansi, and the beehive. Thank you for listening.